Hey bitches, it's Flower. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Bella Hadid inspired makeup tutorial. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you guys can keep up with me when I'm not posting here on YouTube. My @ is f.low.e.r. So now if you guys want to see how I achieved this Bella Hadid inspired makeup look, then keep watching. First, I'm going to conceal using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. This is my favorite drugstore concealer because of how well it conceals under my eyes and my dark spots. I always conceal under my eyes, on my forehead, around my mouth, and on my dark spots. I also put concealer on my neck as well. Now I'm just blending in the concealer on my face with a beauty blender. For the concealer on my neck, I prefer to blend that in with a makeup brush. I just recently got this Too Faced Born This Way pressed powder foundation and I'm so in love with it. It is the perfect medium to full coverage powder foundation. If you're someone like me and you don't like to wear foundation because you don't need all that coverage, I really do recommend this. But if you're someone that does wear foundation, this would be perfect to set liquid foundation. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using my favorite concealer in the entire world, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's the most full coverage concealer I've ever tried. To contour, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Matte Stick in Truffle. Just noticed this, but I actually used a lot of my favorite makeup products for this look because this is my favorite cream contour as well. I'm so obsessed with how smoothly this contour applies on and how easily it blends. I apply concealer underneath my cheekbones where I contoured. I also apply concealer to my forehead. I decided to just use cream contour for this look because in Bella Hadid's Vogue Beauty Secrets, she just uses cream contour. In contouring my nose, I'm trying to make it look as snatched as possible in order to match Bella Hadid's. I'm just going to blend in all the product that I just applied, first starting off with blending in the concealer with a beauty blender. Now I'm blending in the contour with the KKW Beauty Concealer Brush 2. To blend in the concealer that I put right underneath the contour, I'm going to be using a makeup brush. Going back to the KKY Beauty Concealer Brush 2, I'm going to be blending in all the contour on my forehead. I also blend out the concealer on my forehead. When blending in my nose contour, I prefer to use a beauty blender. For blush, I'm going to be using Milani's Rose Powder Blush in the color Wild Rose. I'm obsessed with the rose design in this blush, and this shade is gorgeous. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Shimmer Match Stick in Rum. Bella's highlight in the picture looks really natural, so this shimmer stick is perfect because it gives a natural looking glow. It's really insane how blinding and pigmented this highlighter is while also still looking natural. As you can see, this highlight is blending into my skin so easily. Look at how when it's blended in, it just looks like my skin is glowing. Since it's a cream highlight, even though I'm using a makeup brush, I'm more tapping it than swiping it to blend it in. I highlight my chin and my forehead as well. I'm going to be using this lip liner by Nabi Cosmetics in the shade Earth. Now I'm just lining my lips. If you want to find out more in depth how I line my lips, you can go watch my last video, how I make my lips look bigger, because in that video I explain how I line my lips. If you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm just shading in the outer corners of my lips. This is what my lips look like after they've been lined. I want the lips to look as natural as possible, so instead of gloss, I'm using this Buxom Powerful Plump Lip Balm. It's a lip plumper and a chapstick all in one. Lastly, I'm going to be using Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara only on my top lashes since it looks like Bella's not wearing any mascara on her bottom lashes. This is the completed makeup look. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my videos whenever I post. Comment if you want to leave a comment because I read all comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lovely. It must be. Everywhere I go, they wanna fuck me. Must be. Oh, my nigga, who got the money?